NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang just dropped a warning and an opportunity. He said, AI will create more millionaires in the next 5 years than the internet did in the last 20. But he didn't stop there. Jensen runs NVIDIA, the trillion-dollar company powering the entire AI revolution. He sees what Zuckerberg, Elon Musk, and Sam Altman are building before the rest of us do. This isn't speculation, it's insider insight, and his prediction is blunt. If you're not using AI, you're going to lose your job to someone who does. That single shift will trigger a $2 trillion transfer of wealth. You either adapt fast and profit, or you get replaced by someone who did. This is a modern-day gold rush. In just the last 6 months, 190,000 new millionaires were created through AI. That's over 1,000 every single day. The internet boom was measured in billions. This one is measured in trillions. So how do you actually take advantage of this? Jensen's framework is simple. With AI, you don't need to be technical anymore. You don't need to code. You don't need marketing skills. AI turns everyone into a programmer, a writer, a creator, if you know how to implement it. Global AI spending is projected to hit $1.5 trillion by 2025. Companies aren't asking if they'll adopt AI, only how fast. Here's the play. Find businesses paying employees for simple, repetitive tasks. Replace that task with an AI tool that costs 95% less. The business saves money. You get paid. Charge an upfront setup fee, plus monthly maintenance. Outsource the bill to a contractor. Repeat. Last month, I made a full-time income selling AI agents I didn't even build myself. Client paid $3,000. Contractor cost me $250. Expenses under $300. I closed the deal. They handled fulfillment. This is the shift Jensen warned about. The question isn't whether AI will change your future. It's whether you'll own the tools or get replaced by them.